Crash Course on Dominican Republic, Dominican Cuisine. Welcome to a crash course on the delicious flavors and unique culinary traditions of the Dominican Republic. Join us as we explore the stories and examples that will excite your taste buds. We'll then provide a detailed list of the top 12 attractions, highlighting the vibrant food scene and culinary experiences in the Dominican Republic. Finally, we'll conclude with a poem that celebrates the country's rich and diverse cuisine. The Dominican Republic's cuisine is a delightful fusion of flavors influenced by African, Spanish, and Taino indigenous cultures. Here are some interesting stories and examples to stimulate your appetite. 1. Sancocho. Indulge in the national dish of the Dominican Republic, Sancocho, a hearty stew made with a variety of meats, root vegetables, and aromatic herbs. It's often enjoyed on special occasions and gatherings, symbolizing unity and warmth. 2. Mofongo. Discover mofongo, a beloved Dominican dish made from mashed green plantains, garlic, and pork cracklings. It's typically served as a side dish or as a base for flavorful stews and seafood. 3. La bandera. Taste, la bandera, which translates to the flag in English. This popular Dominican meal consists of white rice, red beans, and meat, often accompanied by a fresh salad. It represents the colors of the Dominican flag and is a staple in the local diet. 4. Street food delights. Wander through the streets of Santo Domingo and other cities to sample delicious street food. Try Los Tres Golpes, the three hits, a combination of fried eggs, salami, and fried cheese, or chicharrones, crispy fried pork skin. 5. Fresh seafood. Enjoy the bounties of the Caribbean Sea with fresh seafood dishes like ceviche, a citrus-marinated raw fish salad, or pescado con coco, fish cooked in a flavorful coconut sauce. Savor the flavors of the ocean in every bite. 6. Pastelitos. Delight in pastelitos, savory pastries filled with various ingredients such as meat, cheese, or vegetables. These handheld treats are perfect for a quick snack or a light meal on the go. 7. Tropical fruits. Explore the abundance of tropical fruits in the Dominican Republic, including juicy mangoes, sweet pineapples, and creamy avocados. Sample them as they are or in refreshing fruit juices and smoothies. 8. Locrio. Experience locrio, a flavorful rice dish similar to paella, often prepared with chicken, pork, or seafood. The rice is cooked with spices, vegetables, and various meats, creating a colorful and aromatic meal. 9. Habichuelas con dulce. Indulge in habichuelas con dulce, a sweet dessert made from sweetened beans, coconut milk, cinnamon, and other spices. It's traditionally enjoyed during the Lenten season and is a true Dominican delicacy. 10. Dominican coffee. Sip on a cup of rich and aromatic Dominican coffee, renowned for its smooth flavor and intense aroma. Coffee is an integral part of Dominican culture, and enjoying a cup is a delightful ritual. 11. Food markets. Immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere of local food markets, such as Mercado Modelo in Santo Domingo. Explore the stalls filled with fresh produce, spices, and local delicacies, and witness the bustling energy of everyday life. 12. Chocolate delights. Discover the world of Dominican chocolate, known for its exceptional quality and rich taste. Visit chocolate factories and indulge in handmade chocolates and cocoa-based treats. In summary, the Dominican Republic's cuisine is a feast for the senses, blending traditional flavors and influences from various cultures. From hearty stews to tropical fruits and irresistible street food, there's something to satisfy every palate. And now, a poem that celebrates the culinary treasures of the Dominican Republic. In the Dominican Republic, a culinary delight. Flavors that dance, an exquisite sight. Sancocho's warmth brings hearts together. Mofongo's embrace, a taste to remember. La bandera waves with pride and grace. A fusion of beans, rice, and meats embrace. Street food whispers secrets on the go. Chicharrones and pastelitos steal the show. Fresh seafood from the Caribbean's embrace. Ceviche and coconut fish, a heavenly taste. Tropical fruits burst with vibrant hues. Mangoes, pineapples, nature's muse. Locrio sings with spices, a melody of rice. Habichuelas con dulce, a sweet paradise. Coffee's aroma fills the air with delight. Chocolate's allure, a moment pure and bright. Food markets alive with colors and cheer. A tapestry of flavors, the essence of the year. In the Dominican Republic, a culinary affair. A feast for the senses, beyond compare. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for supporting our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.